Hello, stupendous readers and writers. This is Mrs. Guthrie, and today we're going to practice long E sounds. I'm so excited to show you my sound spelling cards. I just love these cards. So this is feet, and we hear a long E in the middle of this word. So see if you can practice and say these, memorize this. E by itself says E. E says E. E consonant E says E. EA says E. And a consonant Y says E. So let's look at some words with each of those spelling patterns in them. The first one is E by itself, and that would be E at the end of a word or the end of a syllable. Well, that's easy. Me. Or how about believe? Be, leave. That's a two-syllable word. Good. E consonant E. Now, we have that a lot with two-syllable words. Not so many single-syllable words. But one character that I know everybody loves is Pete the cat. So if I wrote Pete, I would start with a capital letter because that's a proper noun. P, E, E consonant E, and my consonant is T. Now we have lots and lots, I'm going to give myself some room here, lots of two-syllable words that end in that, with that vowel pattern. One is complete. Make sure you complete your reading practice every day. So, complete. That's a two-syllable word with that spelling pattern in it. EE says E, and I love EE. You know why I love EE? Because it is so consistent. So many of our rules change often, but EE almost always says E. And one example of that is feet. Feet. Another example is week. Days of the week. Okay, I'm going to get rid of some of my words here. Just leave one example for each word so my board doesn't get too crowded. Let me put feet back. Feet. EA says E. Most of the time it says E. It can say like read and read, and you have to try it both ways. For instance, if I said, I love to read, let's spell read. Read. Well, if I wrote that word read and I was reading this sentence, I love to read, that makes sense. But if I saw a word that said, I read a book yesterday, I would have to think, oh, that doesn't make sense. Let me try the other sound. I read a book yesterday, and that makes sense. Let's spell seed. Here we go. S. That's wrong. Seed goes over here. Seed. Let me see what else is on the list. Beat. Beat. Can you keep the beat for this song? B, E, E-A, and T. Beat. Beat. Nice. All right. Seat. Take a seat. S, S, E, E-A, and T, T. So we do have to always use our sounds when we're reading. When we are spelling, we have to use our sounds and our memory because we have to remember that seat has an EA and not an EE. It's very confusing. Y on the end of a two-syllable word makes a long E sound. Only on a two-syllable word. So, for example, penny. So, pen, knee. Now, I have to give it double consonant protection to keep that E short. Penny. See how that works? My first name is Patty. So, capital for a proper noun, Pat. That says Pat, and I have to give it double consonant protection. Keep that A short. Pat, E, Patty. Or if you played patty cake. All right. Thank you so much for joining me to do long E words. Let's remember, E by itself says E. E consonant E says E. E says E. EA says E. And a two-syllable word that ends in a Y, the Y says E. I'll see you next time.